Menu is lagging so much I can't even pull it.
You know, if someone's looking in the sky at the blacksmith randomly, then they get to see this from there.
Hey, we're gonna light about 500 fireworks. I don't know how much this is. Oh my goodness.
Mostly green.
Wait, I have more
fireworks. I have more fireworks.
Oh, he has more fireworks. That's perfect.
How many more you got?
He has more fireworks.
I got
And me stuff.
Oh yeah.
Gotta put them all down.
Okay, I'm
Yo,
live.
we got some red ones.
I'm saying
We got some red ones.
Like,
Oh, really?
you got red
I'm
ones?
already
around.
lagging.
There's a lot of green. I don't know if we're gonna build
I'm like
the
about
red ones, but go
I'm
ahead.
think about it.
Meow.
Last time we
Surrounded
did
with
every
whoever
color,
passed.
and
Okay,
it
if
looked
one
like you're
lights and
having
we
a
don't mean it
seizure.
to, I'll
was
just grab it
funny.
and flip it.
Ah,
No, it'll go up.
About
So we'll be fine.
Astro. No, that Astro. Hey, we.
Come on, let me record.
Wait, what are we gonna call
There's
Astro?
more.
And what are we gonna call myself? Hey,
Oh, we're
Keith,
still
on
gonna
the
call you
duplicator,
Astro. We're
right?
gonna call. Okay, fine. I guess we're
duplicator?
calling you Bot. I know that sounds like a bad
Bot,
name,
okay.
but
I'm
Was you the one
lagging.
duplicating,
a
or
lot.
was that someone
I have to
else?
call you Bot, man.
Wait, duplicating.
Whoa, I
Is it
am
you?
lagging like crazy.
Wanna help us? Oh, that's my dynamite.
Got a problem? Oh,
Oh, that's not your dynamite.
No!
man.
Oh!
Also,
no, it's
where
fine.
is your?
It won't chain. It doesn't do a chain thing.
Okay.
My
Yeah,
bad.
no.
That's my flame.
We're gonna use
Astro,
dynamite,
where
right?
is your bag?
Two.
We're gonna use dynamite, right?
What do you mean?
Probably smart.
Where's your bag?
I back
We
to
should
you.
use dynamite.
Oh, okay, I didn't see it.
Oh yeah, can't we use dynamite?
Um,
Isn't that a bigger explosion?
Yeah, it'll light
Yep,
up all
that's
Wait,
the
are
what
we
we were
doing it
gonna
now?
use.
Wait, hold on. We're doing it now.
wait,
Yeah,
I have a
everyone, go to the
I have
blacksmith.
a
Go to the blacksmith.
No, I'm
No, I
gonna
want you
stay
to
really
here.
close.
I
I'm
want
gonna stay
you
right
here.
here. No, I want to
Yeah.
go. I want to get a good viewing angle. I'm going up here.
No,
Come on. What about up here?
No,
You're not gonna have
we
a
should
very
go up
fun
here.
time there.
Yeah,
You're not gonna
I
have
don't
a
wanna-
very
I don't
fun
Oh, why
time.
can I teleport?
I don't want to
far?
go to black.
You
There we
guys
go.
are
laggy.
stupid. No, you
Not
guys are
stupid.
still stupid. No, you're
Watch
gonna-
from up here.
Oh my God.
Here we go.
You guys are the
Trust
stupidest
me, but
people I've ever
blacksmith
gonna be
is like
great.
super laggy right now. There's bronze
even
things everywhere.
Alright,
copper.
fine.
Do you have any?
Wait,
I'm
wait,
about
wait.
to die.
Two.
No, not yet, not yet.
Okay, we're doing it. We're doing it.
Wait.
Light the dynamite.
Doggy, hurry.
Light it up.
Doggy, hurry. We're doing it in a second.
Do you have any food? I'm about
Okay,
to
I'm
die.
here now.
I have none.
Happy super late New Year.
Okay.
I never
Three,
do it. Throw the dynamite
two.
in.
Oh, we're doing it. You better.
Go, go, go.
Doggy, yo.
Oh my god, this is gonna be crazy, dude.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh,
Oh,
oh god, it's coming! Ah! I'm gonna die!
Ah!
I can't see.
I just all I saw was just like
Bro,
those
what the
things
hell?
just like
I took so much
right
damage.
at us.
What'd the
Oh,
dog
okay.
do?
That's
That
not
was worth
helping
it.
me.
I recorded all
It
of
was
that.
worth it. You should spawn more, but